So, my name is Rotaractor I'm from here, the Charter President of Rotaract Representative Rtr and also the Zonal Representative for Zone B under Rotaract Representative. So we are here at Ilorin actually to celebrate with the Rotaract Representative of District 916 here in Ilorin. And part of the activities for this investiture is to visit the Owu Waterfall. So we are at the palace of the Oriyomi.
You are welcome to Nigeria of Owu Palace.
So we are here to actually stay because it will not be nice to come to an environment where they have a leader and you will not visit the leader of that particular community. So we are here to say KBSC to the Onire of Owa Onire community.
Be on seat to welcome our August visitors to Owu Waterfall.
And it's been an enjoyable moment, but then there is one bus traveling down to this place. Let's call it a spade. And the road that is leading to Owu Waterfall is very safe.
Appreciate the city hunters, the hunters that they won't give us the head of that you can't trek into the side. So the best we can actually do is call our drivers to come and carry us enter this village so that we can, it's a limited hour trekking. So that's why.
In essence, what we are trying to say is that the road was not so good.
Yeah, exactly.
It's not good at all. What the possibility is this? Hello.
It's not so easy, but it like my J-boy sings from Africa, international superstar. I say get one family where I know fit to leave. 100% humanity services.
My dear, 916 Igbe Wadebe.
Yeah, we are on it.
We are still moving. Less than 2 kilometers to go. We are still moving.
I know get the problem.
Owu Waterfall is actually a place that can generate revenue for the state and it's very nice to bring development to this environment.
My name is Rotaract Representative I'm from District 917. I am currently in Owu State Pioneer DTRs investiture. Today is Friday. We are currently at we are going to see the waterfall. And on the way here, it was not actually good. Like transportation that is supposed to be about 10 minutes, we're using 30 minutes of minutes. So I'm pleading to the government, please help
Good evening, from District 9126, I'm deputy and we are here on a trip to the Owu. Actually, about the experience we had here, about the road is not something which to write about. But what 3 times or 4 times, I'm not mistaken. So, urge the government to please help us to this road. It can only serve as a source of income to make it more easier to come here. So we look forward to our government to please help us.
I know get the problem, I know get the worries, we can forget the mentality we are. It's not so easy, but it like my shot. Say get one family way I know fit to leave. 100% humanity services for free. Monica, look my lane. You got to follow my way. I want to open your eyes, let's do it the Rotaract way. I know get the problem, I know get the worries,